Okay, so we're gonna learn how to find the transformation of the radical function and how to graph them. So first, finding starting point or vertex is very important. In order to do that, inside of square root here, minus 3x plus 3 equals 0. You find the x value, let that make it 0, right? So now move 3 the other side. Oh, that was minus 3x equals minus 3. So divide by minus 3 both sides, x equals 1, right? When x equals 1, that means this makes 0. Square root 0, 0 times 2, that's 0, plus 2, which means 2. 1, comma 2 is vertex. So everybody understand that? 1, comma 2 is vertex. Now, transformation, because originally it was square root x, and then anything inside of square root, this is x, and outside, that's y, right? So reflection means anything here negative or here negative. Yeah, I see negative inside right there, right? So first, inside means what? X. So x become negative x. So as you see, x become negative x means yx reflection. As you see right here, x become negative x means yx reflection. So yx reflection, it has it. When outside that negative, then y become negative y, that's xx reflection, but this one does have xx reflection. And this 2 is outside or inside? Outside. So outside and times 2, right? Nothing means times 2. Outside times 2. Outside is y or x? Y, right? Y is vertical, right? So we call it vertical. And times 2 means time is by 2. Okay, times 2 bigger than 1, that's a stretch. Smaller than 1 is the same size. Smaller than 1, shrink. Okay, so by 2 bigger than 1, so by vertical stretch by 2. Got it? And inside I see 3 times x. So that's inside, right? Inside times I see 3 times x. So I see times 3. Inside is x, which is horizontal, right? Horizontal. Inside all the time, reciprocal or plus minus opposite. So times means reciprocal. 3 reciprocal is 1 over 3, right? 3 over 1, reciprocal, 1 over 3. And that means now what? Smaller than 1. Smaller than 1 means shrink. Okay, so horizontal shrink by 1/3, right? And then, in order to find the shift translation, then you can use this vertex 1, 2, which means vertex originally 0, 0, but now 1, 2. 1, 2. That means from here, 1 unit right, 2 unit up, right? So from vertex, you can just read it 1 right and 2 up. Translation, you can do that. Log graph, we got 1 point. We need just 1 more point, right? That'll do. So actually, this graph originally was like this. Right, starting point here, and then like that. But y-axis reflection, that will become like that, right? And shrink stretch means, just make bigger or smaller like that. And then moving, so it'll be something like this. Graph will be something like that, right? So graph will be something like this. But to make sure, let's find 1 more point. And this is one of the good points, so let's plug in what x value 0 there. So x value 0, then this is 0, that's 3, so root 3, so 2 root 3 plus 2. Let's just find out this is bigger than 2 or smaller than 2. 2 plus something, bigger than 2, right? So I put any number here, lovely, I can draw like that. Everybody got it? So now domain means x possible x value. Starting right here, graph is like this. So can be any number below here, but not bigger than 1, right? So x equal smaller than or equal to 1, that's the domain. The range is y value. Y value is here, 2, smallest. Anything bigger than that possible, right? Not smaller than that. So y equals bigger than or equal to 2. That's the range. Everybody make sense on this? Yes.